Hi everyone, today I'm going to review Dyson V11 after 1 year of use. Please watch the whole video so you don't miss any important part. Is Dyson V11 still the best vacuum cleaner after 1 year? Is the Dyson V11 still the best cordless vacuum on the market after a year of heavy use? In this video, I will put the Dyson V11 to the test to see if it still lives up to its reputation as the one of the top-rated vacuums available. From its powerful suction to its advanced filtration system, I will examine every aspect of this vacuum to determine if it's still worth of the investment. Whether you are cleaning enthusiast or just looking for a reliable vacuum for your home, this review is must watch. Tune in to find out if the Dyson V11 remains the top dog in the world of cordless vacuum cleaners. Here you can see different attachments for this Dyson V11. It's very easy and convenient to change them and put them in a cleaner, which I will show later in this video. The Dyson V11 can be fully charged on its power station for approximately 4.5 hours. Now let's clean some mess. I will demonstrate with chia seeds on black and white carpet so you can better see the contrast. I will also make it more sweet by adding some sugar so see it even better. First, I will do the cleaning with medium mode. Now, let's try it. What do you think what will happen? As you can see, Dyson V11 take almost all debris in the first attempt. This was a very easy job for Dyson V11, so now let's try some with the boost mode. When you compare it to newer models, the Dyson V11 still stands out in a lot of ways. It has advanced features like LCD screen and multiple cleaning modes. They are still unmatched by many of its competitors. And let's not forget about the sheer power and performance of the vacuum cleaner. It is still one of the best on the market, even after 1 year of abuse. One area where it really shines is its ability to handle pet hair. If you have pets, you know how big pain it can be to clean up after them. But Dyson V11 make it like a breeze, with its powerful suction and specialized tools. Here you can see two types of the brushes in its rotational head. One thing that's really impressed me is the Dyson V11 ability to maintain its performance over time. Even after a year of regular use and abuse, it still feels like a high-end vacuum cleaner. The build quality is exceptional and design is still sleek and modern. Only small complaint is about scratches on every plastic part. And while it's not maybe the absolute best value on the market, considering its age and the fact that newer models are available, it's still a great choice if you are looking for high-quality vacuum cleaner. Here you can see easy switching between modes: Eco mode, Medium mode, and best of them, Boost mode. The main reason why I choose Dyson V11 over the V12 is its suction power. It has stronger motor than a more expensive V12 model. Only V15 model has more suction power, but is also more expensive. So, the Dyson V11 still holds up incredibly well after a year of use. It is still top performer, and its advanced features and design make it a great choice for anyone looking for high-end vacuum cleaner. As you can see, opening and cleaning this container is very easy, and you can spill out this debris very easy every time you want to. Now you can see how big this pile of chia seeds and sugar is. So let's try again with the boost mode and see what will happen. This V11 handled it so easy. It is so satisfying to see the Dyson V11 cleaning this debris, and after this cleaning the carpet is very smooth and clean. The next thing that I will show you is the length of the battery. Eco mode conserves most of the battery but has less power. Medium mode is in the middle, and the boost mode sucks battery very fast, but it also cleans the best. Switching between modes is very easy. I rarely use eco mode. Mostly I use medium mode, and when it's something really dirty I used boost mode. Cleaning of this filter is very easy. I clean it once a week. Just wash it under the water and let it dry for one whole day, and you are ready to go again. The only thing that I found that is not really practical is cleaning these small edges. You cannot clean it with a large head, and if you want to clean, you must change to this smaller adapter, and then you clean without problem. This is the only area where the Dyson V11 could be better. You know that feeling when your kid's eating something on your sofa, something sugary or popcorn or anything like that, and then the Dyson have solution even for that. You only need to put this cleaning head, which is adjustable, and you can start to clean your sofa. Of course, for this big mess, it's always best to use boost mode. The boost mode has plenty of suction power, and Dyson V11 deals with this very easy. If you have a Dyson V11, I love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Have you noticed any decline in its performance? Are you still loving it? Or maybe you have some other Dyson model like V12 or V50 for example, or are you considering to buy some other brand? Please tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, share it, and of course subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.